02090. It's a bit far-fetched, I know, but just bear with me, okay? Right, we are going to take the data from that location to assist us with our decisions. So this is the anchored volume profile that we just placed on the chart right now, and with the anchored volume profile there is a particular way I like to use it when I'm trading. That is, I use the low volume node areas to make decisions as to whether I'm taking buys or whether I'm taking sells. So those levels is where I use to make my decisions as to what I'm going to be doing based on how market interacts with those levels. Now, high volume node areas is where everybody's getting in. Low volume node areas is where less people are in. Now, in case you haven't watched my videos on using the volume profile, basically it works like this. The low volume node areas acts as either support and resistance levels, or price basically violates that whole zone in one move. So price rapidly flows through it, or price bounces off from it. I'm expecting businesses to be done at the high volume node areas. This is where everybody is sitting, right? So that is institutions and retails. They're all located in the high value node areas. This is what you would consider a high value node, a high value node, and a high value node, right? And the low value nodes are these areas right here. These are all low volume nodes. So if you mapped out this particular area right here, the low volume node, what you will find is that price either rapidly moves through it or price bounces from it. Hence why I like using it to make decisions in the market. Hence why I go on so much about volume profile, because in my opinion, it's one of the best indicators out there. Okay, so we're going to highlight the low volume node areas, and these low volume node areas is where I would want to make moves. So for example, in this area right now, price is doing whatever it is that it's doing. We've got 3 levels marked out in regards to the order block. So we have the first order block, which is in this area over here. That is if we get a push to the upside and it